In this video, we're going to talk about the best affiliate programs that you can use to monetize your Instagram page. The first thing you have to do is understand that affiliate marketing is very, very simple, but it's very easy to make money, and it's very effective because you don't need your own product, no inventory, no customer service. You're literally just promoting someone else's product. So it's very simple, and it makes people skeptical a little bit because it's so simple. It's like, how could it be that easy? But it really is. So when you sign up for an affiliate program, what happens is you get a unique affiliate link. That's your link, right? That's how they track that the click came from you. And then if anyone buys after clicking your link, then you get a commission for that sale. Okay. So you sign up for the affiliate program, you get your link, it's automatically tracked and then paid out directly to you. Some different affiliate programs will automatically pay out, some won't. You really just got to find the right programs for you, and you have to match the right program with the right audience, right? So if you're able to get views through Instagram, you've done with step one, right? Which is very hard to do. Just to get enough views and get enough traction and stay consistent and all that. But then you want to monetize, right? And there's different ways to monetize, but affiliate marketing is extremely useful because it's so easy. Like I said, you're not handling the customer service or the inventory or, even the headache of creating your own product or anything like that. You're able to just match audience with product, the right offer to the right people. And it's a beautiful thing because all you have to do then is post, right? So there's a couple different affiliate programs that you can choose from. There's some high ticket programs that can be good, that are really popular. People post on Instagram, post about. There's some more low ticket ones. So high ticket would be like $5,000. Low ticket would be more like 10 to 100, and then medium ticket would be like 500, right? So there's some $500 programs or $497 that you'll see, but very rarely do you find an affiliate program that actually gives like reoccurring commissions. And that's where, like, we all kind of do this. We all get into this for passive income, right? We all want to like not have to work very much and make money. So to do that, you need an affiliate program with reoccurring commissions. And the very best program that you can join is my school group, and you promote my school group. So once you join the group, you get instant access to the affiliate program. You find your link. The links are automatically paid out, or the links are automatically tracked and automatically paid out on a recurring basis every single month. So you get 50% recurring commissions for every member that you refer. That's $25 a month. And what happens is over time that starts to compound, right? So instead of, starting over every month, you get to reap the benefit of the videos that you make now and the traffic and the sales that you make now, years from now, hopefully. Basically, you receive commissions as long as those people stay members, and those people are incentivized to stay members so that they can refer other people, and it becomes a nice affiliate loop, an affiliate community. And this is the only affiliate program where it's going to teach you. I created the group in this way. It'll teach you how to promote your link, right? So there's some automation processes set up, a viral video framework, the CapCut video tutorial. So video editing. I teach you everything that you need to know, everything to do. And even if you get deep into the course, I teach you how to automate and run multiple accounts. So you can really scale up your efforts here. But it's by far the best affiliate program that you're going to find because there's recurring commissions. All you have to do is to post. And I teach you how to promote your link in the best way possible. Right. So I put my heart and soul into this. And if you sign up, we become 50-50 partners in promoting the group. And it's a beautiful thing because they say no one's going to save you. And that's a great quote that I take to heart. But in this instance, I'm here to provide you the tools and the information needed for us both to succeed. And it's a beautiful thing. So if you're ready to get started, first, hold on. Like this video for the algo, subscribe, all that. And then if you're ready to get started, check the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you.